Hey guys, are you interested in smudge painting? Check this video, link in the description. Now this video about sketch effect. Yes, this is previous and after. Are you guys ready? Let's learn about step by step. Open your any portrait photo. I strongly recommend that white background will be good. If your background is color, already posted video about how to remove the background. So look at that video. Now let's start with this photo and choose your picture with decent quality. First take duplicate the image. You can drag it into new layer or you can press Ctrl J or Command J. Then we have to switch the color to black and white. So go to adjustment layer and give it black and white. Then select the same layer, go to layer mode, change to color dodge. After that, go to image adjustment and invert your picture. Ctrl I is the shortcut. Now it's look like white. After that, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Here set the value look like pencil shades. I recommended 60 to 70 would be great. Then give it OK. Still we need bit more realistic sketch effect. So I take this image, one more copy. Go to filter gallery, sketch and graphic pen. Here we don't want too much of darkness and too much of lightness. Here we need the graphic pen effect, but we don't want too much of noisy. So reduce opacity, then go to filter, blur, this time motion blur. Again select layer 1 copy and change the fill value to 80%. Still it seems more brighter. Again select black and white effect and adjust the value slightly. Now next process about the paper fill. Create new layer, check it once, here black and white should be on and Alt backspace you can fill the white color. Then go to filter, filter gallery, sketch. This time we need note paper. Now go to layer mode and change the mode to linear burn. Now the paper effects merge with our sketch. Then adjust the opacity 70 to 80%. Now I select all those layers and Ctrl G, you can group it, and this is before and this is after. I hope you guys are enjoyed this video. If you like this technique, share to your friends and try it. If any doubt, comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification.